Hey everyone, are you ready to unlock massive bicep growth in just 1 week? Today, I'm going to share a killer workout that's going to help you build wider biceps fast. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So let's talk bicep training for a second. We've all been there. You're doing your curls, feeling the burn, but those biceps just aren't growing like you want them to. It's frustrating, right? You're putting in the work, but not seeing the results. And it's not just about aesthetics. Stronger biceps can boost your overall athletic performance and even help prevent injuries. One of the biggest reasons people struggle with bicep growth is because they're stuck doing the same exercises over and over again. You know, the typical bicep curl, maybe some hammer curls if you're feeling fancy. But there are so many other exercises that target your biceps from different angles and really help them grow. And that's exactly what this workout does. We're going to cover 4 exercises that are specifically designed to target your biceps and help them grow. First up, the incline dumbbell curl. This exercise is great because it targets the upper part of your biceps, which is often the hardest to develop. Next, the concentration curl. This one isolates your biceps and lets you focus on squeezing them for that peak contraction. Third, the cable hammer curl. This exercise allows you to curl the weight with a more natural range of motion, reducing strain on your joints. Finally, the preacher curl. This one targets the lower part of your biceps, which can often be neglected. By including all of these exercises in your routine, you can ensure your biceps get a full and balanced workout. But what really sets this workout apart is the technique we're going to use. We're focusing on a slower, more controlled tempo to maximize the contraction in our biceps. This is key because it allows you to really feel the muscle working and ensures you're not just going through the motions. Also, remember to squeeze your biceps at the top of each curl. This is where the magic happens. Holding that squeeze for a second gets so much more out of your workout. And don't forget, use a weight that's challenging but still allows you to maintain proper form. You don't want to sacrifice form for heavier weights. Trust me, it's not worth it. So to recap, we've covered the 4 exercises and key techniques that make up this workout. Incorporate these into your routine and you'll start seeing real results in building those wider biceps you've always wanted. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you try out this workout, comment below and let me know how it goes. And if you're looking for more workouts like this, check out my other videos for some amazing content. See you next time. Next.